Guys, and welcome to our channel. We have one math expression here that we have to solve it in this way. Maybe you solve this expression like this. First, 6 plus 6 gives us 12 times 6 over 6. And now maybe you simplify this expression. 6 divided by 6 gives us 1, and 6 divided by 6 gives us 1. And now 12 times 1 gives us 12 over 1, that is 12. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS that is here, we have to solve this expression in this way. First, parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. According to this rule, we have one multiplication here that we have to solve it first. So 6 times 6 gives us 36, and we had 1, 6, and plus here. So over 6. Now 6 plus 6, 36, gives us 42 over 6. And now we can simplify this expression. 6 divided by 6 gives us 1, and 42 divided by 6 gives us 7. And 7 over 1 gives us 7. The final answer is 7. Thank you for watching.